Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this session, we are going to do 30 previous year questions from the computer and IT section which are asked in the previous SSC examination conducted from 2010 to 2023. And this is the third part of this series. So let us start with the question. First is, which of the following is not a magnetic disc? A option is disc pack, B is DVD, C option is Winchester disc, and D option is zip disc. So right answer is option D, that is DVD, digital versatile disc. Next question is, which among the following ports is also called as mouse port? A option is video graphic array, B option is high definition media interface, C option is firewire, and D option is PS2. The right answer is option D, that is PS2 port is also called as a mouse port. Next question is, blank displays a list of utility, configure the computer system and install software and hardware. A option is run, B option is control panel, C option is taskbar, and the last option is help and support. Right answer is option B, that is control panel. Next is, which among the following statements is incorrect about the central processing unit? Your A option is control unit controls the order in which instructions enter and leave the processor and how the instructions are executed. Now the B option is arithmetic logic unit is responsible for taking the input, convert it into a signal and storing it for the further process. And C option is arithmetic logic unit is also known as the mathematical brain of a computer, and the D option is control unit directs and manages operation sequences. So the incorrect option is the option B, that is arithmetic logic unit is responsible for taking the input, converting it into a signal and storing it for further process. Next is, blank are a set of wires which carries a group of bits in parallel and has an associated control scheme. It provides a communication path between two or more devices of a computer system. A option is buses, B is control unit, C option is register, and D is cache. Right answer is option A, that is buses. Next is, which among the following statements is incorrect for the input devices? A option is input devices are also called as peripheral devices. B is input devices accept user data. C option is input devices help computer in receiving data. And D is optical mark reader is an input device. So the incorrect statement is option A, that is input devices are also called as peripheral devices. Next is, which among the following statement is incorrect? A option is a magnetic tape consists of a vertical columns called frames. B option is magnetic tape consists of horizontal rows called channels or tracks. C option is magnetic tape drivers are not suitable for storage of data that need to be accessed randomly. And D option is there is no addressing in the magnetic tapes. Right answer is option C, that is the incorrect statement is magnetic tape drivers are not suitable for storage of data that need to be accessed randomly. Next question is, which of the following is an output device? A option is OCR device, B is projector, C option is MICR, D option is scanner. So the example of output device is projector. So option D is the right answer. Next is, pick the odd one out in central processing unit of a computer. A option is ALU and control unit both. B option is output unit. C option is ALU, and the last option is control unit. So the right answer is option B, that is output unit. It means CPU के जो parts होते हैं वो ALU भी CPU का part होता है, control unit भी होता है. तो अगर बात करें output unit की, तो ये अलग से एक unit है, ये CPU के अंदर नहीं आता. Next is, blank is also known as electronic disk. A option is USB sticks, B is network storage servers, C is solid state drive, and D option is USB hard drives. Right answer is option C, solid state drive, that is SSD. Next is, blank is also known as protocol converter. A option is hub, B is bridge, C option is switch, and D is gateway. Right answer is option D, gateway. Next is, a blank port transmits one bit of a byte at a time as a single stream of bits. It means for transmitting slow data over long distance. A option is parallel port, B is USB port, C option is serial port, and D option is display port. Right answer is option C, that is serial port. Next question is, which of the following is not a secondary storage unit? A option is RAM, B is DVD, C option is floppy, and D is magnetic tape. So right answer is option A, that is RAM. RAM is an example of a primary storage unit. Next is, which of the following computer memories is non-volatile? A option is DRAM, that is dynamic RAM. B option is SRAM, that is static RAM. C option is ROM, and D option is RAM. So right answer is option C, that is ROM. ROM is a type of non-volatile memory. Next is, the secondary storage devices can only store data, but they cannot perform. A option is arithmetic operation, B is logic operation, C option is fetch operation, and D is all operations are correct. So the right answer is option D, that is all options are correct. It means secondary storage device can only store the data. वो किसी भी तरह का ऑपरेशन जो है like arithmetic, logic या fetch इस तरह का ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म नहीं करते. Next is, which of the following is true? A option is primary memory is non-volatile, B is secondary memory is volatile, C option is ROM is non-volatile memory, and D option is RAM is non-volatile memory. So the correct statement is option C, that is ROM is a non-volatile memory. Next is, which among the following is or are storage devices used in computers? A option is floppy disk, B is hard disk, C option is punched tape, and D is all options are correct. So the right answer is option D, that is all options are correct. It means floppy disk, hard disk, and punch tape. These all can be used as a storage devices in computer. Next is, what is the storage size of commonly used floppy disk? A option is 2.0 MB, B option is 4.0 MB, C option is 1.44 MB, and the last is 2.44 MB. So the storage size of the floppy disk is usually 1.44 megabyte. So option C is the right answer. Next is, a region of computer memory where frequently accessed data can be stored for rapid access is called. A option is cookie, B is plugin, C option is token, and D is cache. So right answer is option D, that is cache. जो डेटा जो है frequently used किया जाता है during the processing by computer, उसको store किया जाता है cache में. Next is, in computer terminology, what is the full form of RAM? A option is random access memory, B is repeated access memory, C option is rapid access memory, and D is regular access memory. So the full form of RAM is random access memory. So option A is the right answer. Next is, in the field of information and communication technology, what is the full form of EEPROM? A option is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, B option is electrically efficient portable read-only memory, C option is electrically efficient programmable read-only memory, and the last option is enhanced electrically portable read-only memory. So EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So option A यहाँ पे right answer आएगा. Now the next question is, in the field of information and communication technology, what is the full form of FDD? A option is folder disk drive, B is floppy disk drive, C option is folder data drive, and D is floppy data drive. So FDD stands for floppy disk drive. So option B is the right answer. Next question is, in the context of memory size in computer data storage, 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabytes? A option is 32 MB, B option is 1021 megabytes, C option is 64 megabytes, and D option is 1024 megabytes. So 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabytes. So option D is the right answer. Next is, a hard disk is an example of which type of data storage device? A option is primary, B is secondary storage, C option is offline storage, and D is tertiary storage. So hard disk is a type of secondary storage device. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a primary storage device in a personal computer? A option is hard disk, B is compact disk, C option is pen drive, and D is random access memory, that is RAM. तो अगर कंप्यूटर की बात करें तो प्राइमरी स्टोरेज में के अंदर आती है रैम. ओके, सो रैम रोम. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. Now the next is, which among the following statements is incorrect? A option is cache memory keeps the program that can be run in a short amount of time. B option is cache memory stores data in permanent use. C option is cache memory is faster than main memory. And D is the size of cache is usually small. So the incorrect statement is option B, that is cache memory stores data in permanent use. जो कैशे मेमोरी होती है ये टेम्पररी डेटा को स्टोर करती है और कौन सी डेटा को स्टोर करके रखती है जो कंप्यूटर के द्वारा जो है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेसिंग बार बार यूज किया जाता है। ओके, सो परमानेंट यूज का ये वाला यहाँ पर ऑप्शन गलत आएगा, बाकी जो अदर 3 ऑप्शन है ये करेक्ट है अबाउट द कैशे मेमोरी, आप इनको देख सकते हो। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज the memory unit that communicates directly with the CPU is called which memory? A option is cache memory, B is backup, C is main, and D is auxiliary. So the right answer is option C, that is main memory. Next question is the instruction that is not to be executed immediately is placed in the A option is current instruction register, B is memory address register, C option is program counter, and D option is instruction buffer register. Right answer is option D, that is instruction buffer register. Next question is which among the following statements is incorrect about the secondary memory? A option is which is known as the backup memory, B is data is permanently stored even if power is switched off, C is computer may run without the secondary memory, and D is it is volatile memory. So the incorrect statement is option D, that is it is a volatile memory. जो secondary memory होती है वो एक non volatile memory होती है। Next is blank memory is sometimes used to increase the speed of processing by making current programs and data available to the CPU at a rapid rate. Now try to guess the right answer क्योंकि हम previous इस point को discuss कर चुके हैं। A option is backup memory, B is auxiliary memory, C is main memory, and D is cache memory. So the right answer is option D, that is cache memory. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. Please don't forget to like the video. And for more videos, you can visit the description box. We will meet soon in the next session, guys. Till then, bye-bye and take care.